smart investors are global investors. Global investing means sitting right here in your domestic country, example India, but still being able to invest in stocks not only in India but also in US, Europe and other emerging markets. Now, why would you want to invest across the globe? The answer is diversification. By spreading your investment across different geographies, you reduce country-specific risk. See, sometimes developed markets might outperform emerging markets and vice versa. But from your point of view, it is important that you have access to all financial markets. This will greatly enhance your potential or opportunity to generate higher returns. And at the same time, you can reduce your risk by diversification. Another reason why people consider access to global financial markets is that their local markets may not give enough opportunities for good investments. For example, if you are here in India and you have access only to Indian markets, then you may be able to invest in top companies of India. But what about investing in top companies of the world? For example, Facebook, Netflix, Google, Microsoft, Nike, Starbucks, Apple, Amazon. These are all global giants, very good business to invest in. They have clean balance sheet, good corporate governance. They are growing very fast, but you will be able to invest in such companies only if you have access to global financial markets. So how to get access to global financial markets? Simply register on global investing platform of IIFL Securities. The link is given below in the description box, or you can simply search for global investing platform of IIFL Security and register on that platform. Now you don't need to worry. You don't need too much money to become a global investor, because on this platform, you can start investing with as little as $0.01. How is this possible? Because it allows you to invest even in fractional shares and ETFs units, so you don't need too much money actually to become a global investor or start investing on this platform. Once you register on this platform, you will have access to 4,000 plus international stocks and ETFs. If you need guidance from professional fund managers, then there are curated portfolios managed by professional fund managers available on this platform. So you can simply choose one of them if you want professional experts to manage your investments in foreign markets. Apart from this, the remittance of funds, etc., is fairly simple, straightforward, because there are tie-ups with multiple banks. Also, there is customer support through email, phone, or chat box, and the brokerage charge is also very less. In fact, the first 5 trades that you make in a month, there is no brokerage charge. There are certain conditions though, that per trade the quantity of shares should be 100 or less, but barring few of these conditions, the first 5 trades that you make in a month, there is no brokerage charge. Even beyond that, the brokerage charge is very less, only $0.01 per share. There are no charges to open the account. There is no cost to open the account, and there are no charges to maintain the account. So absolutely there is no reason why you should not open a global investing account with IIFL Securities and become a global investor.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.